Well, what have we here? It's the package I ordered. I can't wait to have fun with my new Raspberry Pi computer. We just need to get through a little bit of setup. We'll connect the Raspberry Pi's HDMI port to a monitor, and connect our power adapter to its micro USB port. Nothing's happening though. What could be... Oh, I know. I forgot to install the software. To use the Raspberry Pi, we must write its operating system and other software onto an SD card. To complete that process, we'll use our handy PC. First, we'll download an operating system image file. There are many image files available on the internet, and our choice of one depends on what exactly we'd like to do with our Raspberry Pi. For this example, we'll use Membrane Monitor, a free application from Membrane Software that we can use to have our Raspberry Pi browse to websites and play videos. Operating system images are usually quite large, and often are distributed in the form of zip archive files. In our case, Membrane Monitor does indeed come as a zip file. We need to extract it into its uncompressed form before writing it to the SD card. Now, we'll take our micro SD card and insert it into our card reader. To execute the image write procedure, we will use a utility called Balena Etcher. We simply select our image file, our target drive, and flash. When the image write completes, we take the micro SD card, plug it into our Raspberry Pi, and try booting it again. This time, the system is able to load and display the Raspbian desktop. Our Raspberry Pi is now ready for action. In the case of Membrane Monitor, we can run a control interface on our PC and use that to command the monitor to display the website that we specify. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial showing how to install software onto a Raspberry Pi's SD card. Until next time, enjoy the technology and have a great day.